parking at this big place. I gotta get me some fuel though. Now I got the red light on. You crazy? Got over here to Marshall, Illinois Pilot. It's about 4:30 in the morning. It's far enough for me. I don't like to drive between like 4 a.m. and 8 a.m. So I stop. So I get sleepy. I was wanting to get over to the Petro in Effingham. That's where I was going to get some fuel. But I made it to here. It's good enough. Anyway, on the way over here, I seen a car on the wrong side of the interstate. They were going head on into traffic. It was weird. It's the craziest thing I've seen in a while. They were heading in, and there was cops coming after them, but they got stopped and turned around. I don't think the cops ever found them. It was weird. Anyway, We'll be going again tomorrow. We gotta take a 10-hour break here. There she is, go! Oh, I've gotta go. It's the next day. About, I don't know, 11:45 Central Time. Waiting on a shower. Cause I gotta go. My Taco Bell. Gonna drive all day today. Hopefully. Because we got 1,600 and some miles to go. I think. I'm not sure because I'm trying to go around the bottom of the storms. I'll show you here in a little bit. Yeah, my shower's ready, because I'm ready. I gotta go. Honesty. I hate that. I forgot my darn wallet in here. Luckily I brought the key. I had to go so bad I ran without anything. She likes to do her business over here. Sit. Sit down. Sit. 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 Okay, go. If I had the wind blow the hood on me, I'd want it there, but I've never had that happen. Not ever. Not ever. We're about to get going here. It's about 2:40 p.m. We gotta go down around the bottom of here, down around through Kansas, through Dodge City, Kansas, to get around this weather, because there's a blizzard warning right here on 70, and it's till Tuesday 1 a.m. So we're gonna go down here through Dodge City and across to Pueblo and up this way. It adds miles, but it's better than sitting waiting for the blizzard. Anyway, I think that's how we're gonna do it. 7 a.m. So 7 a.m. Tuesday. So if I leave then, I can still make it to my delivery on time. I don't know what to do. Take much. Neither did the DEF. That's it. 3 gallons. Done with fueling. Now I just got to get the receipt, let the dog out, and I'm out of here. I gotta go bathroom too. Got the receipt. It was like $705, but I didn't pay that. Imagine it was like $500 for me or something like that, because I get a good discount. You crazy? Wait. Wait. Go. That'll hold it in. Andy, let's go. We're over here, the rest area on I-70 in Missouri, out past St. Louis. I think I'm just gonna go on up north to 90 and wait out the blizzard warning, because it's supposed to be over. Well, here's what I'm thinking. It's like 300 extra miles to go down south and around. And it's, you know, that's 5 hours extra driving. But the thing is supposed to be over at 7 a.m. on Tuesday morning. And if I can get up to Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and wait there till 7 o'clock in the morning, it'll all be done. And then I can still make my my O2 in Butte, Montana by noon on Wednesday, because it's 900 miles from Sioux Falls to Butte, Montana. So that's 15 hours driving plus a break. That's 25 hours, and I'll have from 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. to 24 plus another 5 is 29. So even if you take off an hour, you got 28. Should be okay, as long as the road is decent after the storm is over. That's the big gamble. I think that's what I'm leaning towards doing now, but I haven't decided yet. Stayed south to keep my options open, but I don't think I'm liking that 300 miles extra. Because I was going to run down through Dodge City and then out through Pueblo, Colorado, and back up 25 through Cheyenne and all the way up. That adds 300 extra miles. But anyway, I don't know yet. Come on, leave that duty alone. You're gross. I decided to come up north instead of going down south around the snow. So we're up here in Pacific Junction, Pacific Junction, Iowa. It's over here south of Council Bluffs in Omaha. We're going to try to make it up, well, as far as we can tomorrow till the snow stops us. Then we'll wait till 7 a.m. Tuesday when they say it's over with. And we'll go on over to... Are you snarling your lips? You look weird. Then we'll go on, we'll head on back over to Butte, Montana, where we're going to end up at the O2. But I didn't feel like doing the extra 300 miles to go down south of it, because it was awful windy in Kansas, and it's less windy up here, so I thought we'd be better off just doing this. But we'll see what happens. It's a gamble. But anyway, that's the end of this one, so y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Take care.